Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
Good morning, everyone. 9:18, your time on this Friday. You'll look at the radar and you'll say, wow, it's snowing in most locations. Well, some of this is not making it to the ground. The air is still very, very dry. So the radar sees it falling from the clouds, but by the time that it works through that drier air as we keep going down to the surface, it just kind of eats away at it. Now, some of this we've seen some light snow on our camera in Richmond. We've seen that in Estill County, even some light snow showing up on our Mesonet camera there in Pike County, even back over into parts of Lee and Owsley. Back off to the west, there are reports of some light flakes occasionally moving through Boyle and Garrett and even over into Lincoln and Rockcastle counties. Let's look at our home view cameras here in Lexington, not seeing anything, nor are we in Paris, but look to the south. You see the flakes there because you'll also notice the lower visibility in the horizon there in Somerset. Richmond, still some light snowflakes falling. The farther south of 64 you go is primarily where we're going to see this set up. And then that band keeps pushing south and southeast as we go throughout the remainder of the day. Let's take a look at that Mesonet camera. This is in Pike County, the southern part of the county. You can see the flakes falling, visibility lower, and a temperature of 14 degrees at that station, that weather station. But in Pikeville proper, 19 degrees. So that is a difference by a few degrees. 18 in town here in Lexington, 13 into Flemingsburg. We'll add it 10 degrees to that for Somerset with a temperature of 23. This light band of snow will continue to work its way to the south, gradually pushing into the southern and southeastern part of the state by later in the afternoon, while areas to the north, we're not going to see anything. Maybe a passing flurry, but nothing in terms of measurable snow. That will keep heading south. This is at 3 o'clock. Most of the snow at that point is likely from around the parkways and south. Then we go late tonight by 9 p.m. Still far southeast Kentucky could have some snow, and it could even linger there into early Saturday morning before the upper level trough digs in and really pushes that system away from us. And also by tomorrow morning, if we can clear out this much, if this does verify with a mostly clear sky, we could see sub-zero temperatures. Definitely wind chill values could go as low as 10 or 12 below zero when we wake up on Saturday morning. Saturday afternoon, clouds build back in. We could pull some moisture off the Great Lakes here and squeeze out some snow showers or flurries. Now, those will be light in nature. Could they put down some minor accumulation, a trace of dusting in some spots underneath those? I'm not going to rule that out, but that's just not going to happen everywhere. Those will be scattered and more kind of patchy. Looking at the snowfall potential, this is for this band that's pushing south this morning into tomorrow afternoon. In many cases, this is as little as a trace, which is hardly anything, to as much as an inch. Now, far southeast, where it lingers the longest, 1 inch to 3 inches possible. Highest elevations, you're getting up toward Black Mountain here, we could see over 3 inches. Look at the highs today. Snow south, mostly cloudy, could go partly sunny here across central and northern Kentucky for a period. Low to mid 20s there, south upper 20s to low 30s. Again tonight, if we can get a mostly clear sky, we could see some sub-zero lows for sure. Wind chill values that are going below zero. Tomorrow's just a downright cold day, anywhere from 14 to 20 degrees. Most of us in the teens there with some scattered snow showers, some flurries Sunday, Monday. Another system to watch Tuesday night. Could start off as a bit of a rain-snow mix there and continue into Wednesday and then into some snow showers Wednesday night into Thursday. But at least the thermometers are climbing as it looks right now above freezing for a couple of days next week.